In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create radio buttons in Google Sheets. In Google Sheets, there is not a true one-click radio button tool like you might see in a web form. But for a simple two-state choice, like yes and no or on and off, a checkbox is the fastest and cleanest option, and it works in a very similar way for tracking selections. Start by opening your Google Sheet. Once you are in the spreadsheet, click the cell where you want the choice to appear. It helps to pick a cell that lines up with the item you are tracking, like a status column next to names, tasks, or invoices. When the cell is selected, you will see a border around it to confirm it is active. Next, go up to the top menu and click Insert. From the Insert menu, choose Checkbox. As soon as you click it, the selected cell will turn into a checkbox. You can now click directly on that checkbox to toggle it on or off. Checked typically represents true, and unchecked represents false, which is useful if you plan to filter, sort, or use formulas later. If you want to add more checkboxes down the same column or across multiple rows, you can select another cell and repeat the same insert, then checkbox action. You can also highlight a larger range of cells first, then insert checkboxes so they appear in every cell in that selection. This is a quick way to build a full list of consistent, clickable options. Now for a helpful tip, if you want the checkbox to display specific words instead of true and false, you can customize it. Click the checkbox cell again, then go to Data, and choose Data Validation. In the Data Validation panel, click the existing checkbox rule. Then enable the option for custom cell values. Enter the value you want for checked, such as paid, and the value you want for unchecked, such as pending. Save the rule and your checkbox will now represent those labels. With that, you have a simple, reliable binary choice control in your sheet that functions like a basic radio-style selection. And that is all there is to it.